submissions. What about you?
We are not studying.
Right now, just now I have paid 1,000 rupees for our exam form.
Yeah, it's so late and so frustrating right now. But guess what?
Yeah.
We have an idea
What?
for regaining of money. Our exam fees.
1,000 rupees?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Just you have to do just one task over it.
Yeah, I'll do anything. I'll do for 1,000. I can do anything.
So you have to do one thing. We have national flag with us.
Okay.
You just have to tear this.
What?
You just have to tear this.
You mean to say if I tell this flag, you'll pay me 1,000 rupees?
Yeah. Cash.
Are you mad? For 1,000 rupees, are you seriously asking me to tear a flag? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Dude, you will ask me anything to do. So shall I do that? Okay, if you would have asked me, Richa, will you do the submissions for me? I'll pay you 1,000. At least I would have understood. Okay, then I'll do your submissions. But then you are asking to tear a national flag. That is not a joke, okay? Though it's a small piece of paper, it's a small flag, but still I respect my flag. If you don't want this, just give it to me. I'll pay the money for it. I'll give 1,000 rupees more for it, but please don't ask me to do this. I'm really sorry, please. If you can't just respect that flag, at least don't ask others to do so.
Sorry, Rachel, but it was our task to know how students are reacting for the national flag.
No,
Do they respect it?
I really feel bad. Those who stamp on this flags and all, even on Independence Day or Republic Day, people buy these kind of flags and then they just put it out and they stamp on it. I really feel very bad for it. Seriously.
What are you thinking about patriotism?
See now, when for the flag, I would say that if you don't want to, if you can't handle it here carefully or something, then you should put it in one place, safe in your notebook. And for other things, you have to stand peacefully during national anthem. Then you have to not make fun of the national anthem or either our national flag. It has got an immense respect in the entire world. You know how India big is and what kind of respect our India has. So if the other world can give respect to India, why not we? So I think that we should do our best. At least we should have some attention and pay careful attention towards others, that others do not insult our national flag or anthem.
Thank you, Rachel. We are quite proud of you for the line of thinking about it.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi, Piyush. Hi, Piyush.
Hey, hi.
What's up?
Have you done your submissions?
And what about the fees? Exam fees?
Oh shit. What the amount you have to pay? It's 6,000. For exam fee only. Yeah, it's okay.
So what if we tell you we can give you 1,000 rupees?
It's good. Give me.
You have-
just I will give you after 2 days.
No.
No. We will give you 1,000 rupees.
Free
It's
of
yours.
Free.
Free?
Yeah.
How it possible? You just have to do one task for us. Can you do it? Okay, if I can, I will do it.
Okay. It can be anything.
Okay, tell me what is the task. Okay. You just have to No, I just can't do it.
No. We'll just give you 1,000 rupees of cash. You just have to tell me. Will you do it?
Give me another task. No, I will give you 1,000 rupees in cash. You just have to clear this. Please don't irritate me. I can't clear this.
What's the reason?
What may be the reason? What are your feelings about
Can
you
No.
clear this?
We are
No. We are interviewing you, and what are your feelings about patriotism? It's national flag and no one can clear this. But we are giving you 1,000 rupees in cash. 1,000 rupees doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
What if we give you 10,000 rupees?
Doesn't matter.
1 lakh.
No.
So according to you, carrying this flag has no value.
Carrying this flag
Means our flag is
it has pride of its own. Carrying this flag is value and value of offense. That is offense. You should not do this, and you must not do this.
okay.
And don't do this such. Don't do
So
such
actually, this was a task for studying students about what they feel about the national flag. What they respect it.
Okay.
Do they feel our national flag is above any kind of
and we are just testing what are your feelings about patriotism and our national flag.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hello guys.
What's going on?
So how's the submission?
Have you paid your fees? Exam fees.
Not yet. I have to submit it tomorrow.
How many rupees you have to pay?
Probably 1,500.
We will give you 1,000 rupees in cash. You just have to do.
Yeah, sure. And I don't have to return.
No, you don't have to. We will provide you 1,000 rupees.
Free of charge.
You just have to.
I can't take it.
Why?
It's my country's flag. I can.
But we are giving you cash. In 1,000 rupees cash.
Then there's cash money. I don't know. I won't do it. So what if we give you 10,000 rupees? Then to I won't.
Rupees 1 lakh we will give you in cash.
I won't do that. So what's the reason behind it? You aren't doing this. Our country has given so much to us that 1,000 won't match anything to us. I won't do that. And what about you?
What will you do? If you provide rupees 1,000 in cash, then you will tear this flag. Yes or no?
Yes or no? Just say.
Just say yes or no.
I won't tear this flag.
So we are just doing an experiment about the students. What they think about the national flag.
We are doing only case study for our soft skills practical.
Nice.